Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create custom Shopify products URL. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for this you can use an integration called product URL. So search in here for product URL and then you're going to be searching for that in the App Store. Let's just head over to that. So it is going to be giving you a really nice flexibility if you're trying to do some SEO. You have this URL shortener and you can directly get your URL from your online store as well. So you can see in the products we have this particular section, we have these products and you can easily get their URLs. You can see we have various options, and let's just head over to our product, and here you can see we have more actions. We can create an email campaign, we can localize, and we can even duplicate it. So to get its URL you can copy the top URL or you can easily create it using integration. So it is quite simple. You can see we have this in here, basically the URL, and you can easily copy it. So yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.